So now question 5. So on the axis below, sketch the graph of y equals to absolute 2x plus 5. So this is in absolute. So anything which is under an absolute, let's suppose it is 5, so it will going to come out as positive 5. And the graph of y equals to 2 minus x, again it's in absolute, stating the coordinate of the points where each graph meets the coordinate axis. Now over here they've asked us to sketch. So there's a difference between sketch and draw. Draw is accurate. Sketch is not accurate. So in sketch, we need to make specific lines, and they shouldn't be equal. So for example, y equals to 2x plus 5. So let's use different color for this. So let's use blue. So this is y equals to x. This line is y equals to x. Now y equals to 2x would be a bit steeper. So y equals to 2x would be steeper. So this is y equals to 2x. And let's now use a different color. Now y equals to 2x plus 5. This whole line will move up by 5 notch. So y equals to 2x plus 5 is this line. Because it is being, this is your y-intercept, this is your 5. So this is y equals to 2x plus 5. Now because this is in absolute, so it cannot be a negative number. So from here, it will move up again. So this red line is actually your y equals to 2x plus 5 absolute number, and we won't be having anything in the denominator, or not in the denominator or in the negative side. So we won't be having anything on the negative side, because anything that, even a negative number that goes into an absolute, comes out to be positive. So this v is actually your y equals to absolute 2x plus 5. Now y equals to 2 minus x. So now we have y equals to 2 minus x. So y equals to minus x plus 2. We can write this as minus x plus 2. Now let's use another color. Now y equals to minus x would be like this. It would be, this line is y equals to minus x. Y equals to minus x plus 2 would be a line that is, this is y equals to minus x plus 2, because now 2 is your y-intercept. The whole profile will going to move up by 2 notch. And because we have an absolute over here, we won't be having anything in the negative part. So this actually will be your y equals to absolute minus x plus 2, or absolute sign y, or y equals to absolute 2 minus x. Now if you look closely, so this line, so let's use different color. This line and this line over here, this line will never going to intercept, because the gradient is 2 and over here the gradient is 1. So they are moving in like this. So they won't intercept. But over here, this line is steeper. So this y equals to 2x is steeper. So this line will going to intercept somewhere. So this line will intercept somewhere. Maybe this is the point where it is intercepting. Now we need to find out these two intercept. So these two intercept we need to find out. So we absolute 2x plus 5 absolute equals to absolute 2 minus x. So how can we find out the intercepts? So square both sides. So this would be 4x square plus 5 to the 10, 20x plus 25 equals to 4 minus 4x plus x square. So if we bring all of this over here, so this will become 4x squared minus x squared plus 20x plus 4x plus 25 minus 4. This will equal to 0. So 3x squared plus 24x plus 21 equals to 0. Now this can be written as x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. So x squared plus 7x plus x plus 7 equals to 0. So we have two factors, x, we can write this, x into x plus 7 plus x plus 7. So x plus 1 and x plus 7 equal to 0. So x is minus 1 and x is minus 7. So this point is minus 1. This is x minus 1 and this point would be minus 7. I know that we are going beyond minus 10, but again, we can't draw it perfectly. So these are the 2 points. So this is minus 7. So let's suppose this is minus 7 and this point is minus 1. So these are your intercept. Now solve. Now let's make this quite, I know it's getting quite confusing, but let's erase everything. Now we have this sort of an arrangement. So this was y equals to absolute 2x plus 5. And so this was y equals to under root absolute 2 minus x. This was minus 1 and this intercept was minus 7. So this line, so 2x plus 5 is less than equal to 2 minus x. So this is your 2 minus x. When is the red line? When is the red line less? So when is this red line less? When is this red line less than the green line? So the red line is less between minus 1 and 7. So beyond this point, red line is more than the green line. So if we plot the green line, so this green line will go from here and this is your green line. So when is the red line less than the green line? So this is your red line. So this is your red line. So red line is less than the green line between minus 1 and minus 7. So solve this. The absolute 2x plus 5 is less than equal to 2 minus x. So this is the region. So this is the region where this x, this red line is less than the green line. So the right answer is minus 1 and minus 7. So if you can write this down as a range, so x is less than equal to minus 1 and x is greater than equal to minus 7. So this is a range at which this is the range at which this equation holds true, and we can also see it from the graph as well. So this is the right answer.